upbeat music plays. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printers, and boy, do we have a showdown for you. In the left corner, weighing in at a hefty $559, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K resin 3D printer, or as we like to call it, the Photon Mono. And in the right corner, coming in at a wallet-friendly $309, it's the Creality Halot-Mage resin 3D printer, aka the Halot-Mage. Let's start with the price, because who doesn't love talking about money? The Photon Mono is like the high-maintenance friend who always insists on eating at fancy restaurants. At $559, it's definitely a premium choice. On the other hand, the Halot-Mage is like your budget-savvy buddy who knows all the best happy hour deals. At $309, it's practically a steal. But remember, folks, sometimes you get what you pay for, and sometimes you get a printer that smells like burnt plastic. According to reviewers, the Photon Mono's price reflects its advanced features and reliability, while the Halot-Mage offers great value for money despite some minor issues. Next up, let's talk about those juicy details. The Photon Mono boasts a 12K resolution with an X accuracy of 19 microns. That's finer than a human hair, and almost as detailed as my dating profile. Reviewers rave about the crispness and precision, especially for miniatures and intricate designs. The Halot-Mage, with its 8K resolution and 29.7 micrometers XY resolution, isn't too shabby either. It's like comparing a high-definition TV to a really good standard one. Both are great, but one might just make you see things you didn't even know existed. Users appreciate the Halot-Mage's detail, but note it doesn't quite match the Photon Mono's level of precision. Speed demons, this one's for you. The Photon Mono claims to print at an average speed of 105 millimeters per hour. That's 3 times faster than your grandma's knitting club. Reviewers love the efficiency, especially for larger projects. The Halot-Mage, with its high-precision integral light source, can cure a layer in just 1 to 5 seconds. So, if you're in a hurry to print that mini replica of yourself to give to your mom for Mother's Day, both printers have got you covered. Just make sure you don't end up looking like a Picasso painting. Users note that the Halot-Mage's speed is impressive, but sometimes comes at the cost of detail. Now, let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to use. The Photon Mono is leveling free, thanks to its fancy floating platform technology and internal sensors. It's like having a personal assistant that actually does its job. Reviewers commend its user-friendliness despite the initial learning curve. The Halot-Mage, with its unique orange Mage Arch flip lid, is a breeze to open and close. Plus, it blocks 99.89% of ambient UV light, which is great because nobody wants a radioactive tan while printing their D&D figurines. Users appreciate the Halot-Mage's straightforward setup, but mention occasional issues with the cover alignment. Extras? Read all about them. The Photon Mono comes with upgraded slicer software and auto device checks, making it as intelligent as your smart fridge that judges you for midnight snacks. Reviewers highlight the importance of the auto device checks for consistent performance. The Halot-Mage has a built-in activated carbon filter, making it odor-free. So if you don't want your house smelling like a chemistry lab, this might be your go-to. Plus, it comes with a 3-month VIP of ChituBox Pro. VIP status, baby! Users love the Halot-Mage's odor control, but wish for more robust support features. Overall, Reviewers find the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s to be a top-notch printer with excellent detail and speed, though it comes with a steeper learning curve and higher price. The Creality Halot-Mage is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and decent print quality, though it has some minor issues like cover alignment and resin odor. So there you have it, folks. The Photon Mono is like the Rolls-Royce of resin 3D printers, expensive, detailed, and faster than a caffeinated squirrel. The Halot-Mage is the Honda Civic, reliable, budget-friendly, and still pretty darn impressive. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you and your wallet. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know which printer wins the title of Smartest Buy. Upbeat music fades in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.